Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block access of sensitive files in WordPress using .htaccess file. So we are going to increase WordPress security and secure our files. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and we are going to add code in .htaccess file to block sensitive files. Now you see .htaccess, right click on it and then click on edit. Now .htaccess file open and then we are going to add code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see angle bracket FilesMatch and then you see .htaccess, htpasswd, ini, log, sh. So you can block files according to requirement. So this is our file extension. Now you see dot and then you see htaccess, ini, log, sh, sql, you see zip format and then you see order, allow, deny from all and then you see FilesMatch, bracket close. So this is our angle bracket. Now you see and you will find this code in video description or in comment section and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess file. Now you see success message. So you can add more file extension in this code to block access of files. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.